everyone. My name is Dina Ray and I am with Designs by Dina, and we are out of Princeton, Kentucky, and I am just so excited to be here tonight to just be on Paint Pixie's page as well as Designs by Dina's page. So hopefully I'll see some comments, I'll see some people that I'm familiar with on our page watching. So just let me know when you hop on, everybody. We've got the cutest, well, I shouldn't say cute, I mean the prettiest wood cutout kit, which is what we do here at Designs by Dina mainly, is just our wood kits. But I do occasionally do some different things. But this is our love. This is our baby. So this kit is the cross with the angel wings, and then it has an overlay. See that intricate cut that goes on top. So we're gonna use some Paint Pixie products and some other products, and we're just gonna, hey guys, hey, there's Jane. So we're just gonna try to use as many products as they sent me. They sent me all kinds of sample pieces. So I've already done one live demonstrating some of their products. Tonight I'm gonna be using this metallic paint called Statuary. There's my husband, he's in the background. I'm gonna try this top coat afterwards. It's Force Field Premium Top Coat Soft Satin Finish. So we'll try that. And then of course I've already used the marshmallow chalk paint. I've got some other colors that I want to try, so we're gonna try that. you guys.
Hello, Rita McAllister.
Because that's the top coat. I don't think I should put it over the diamond dust because that would be messy.
Josie says we've all learned something new tonight. And there's Des Hall. Hey, sweet friend.
Look at that. That's so beautiful.
There's
So beautiful.
April. I'm glad you told Deb to get up tonight. She's